simplify each of the following. And we've got three expressions here that use multiple rules of exponents. So let's take a look at each of these individually. We've got 25 a to the fourth b to the fifth over 15 a cubed b cubed. First, we're going to deal with the coefficients out front because they give us a fraction that can be reduced. 25 fifteenths can be reduced by 5 to give us 5/3. Then let's look at each variable separately. A to the fourth over a cubed, we know we can subtract the exponents, and that gives us a to the first, or just a. B to the fifth over b cubed gives us b squared. Again, we subtract the exponents. And so we've got 5/3 ab squared, or some of you may write this 5ab squared over 3. The a and the b squared can either go on the outside or in the numerator. Doesn't matter either way. All right, let's look at the next one. We've got 3xy squared, quantity cubed, all over 6x squared y squared. Now the first thing we have to deal with here is this cube on the top because it needs to get distributed to everything inside the parentheses. So let's do that. If we take 3 and cube it, that gives us 27. If we take the x and cube it, that gives us x cubed. And then if we take the y squared and cube it, that's an exponent on top of an exponent. We need to multiply them, and that gives us y to the sixth. And then on the bottom, we still have 6x squared y squared. But now we can reduce like we did before. The coefficient, 27/6, will reduce by a factor of 3. That gives us 9/2. Then with the x's and y's, we subtract the exponents. X cubed over x squared gives us x. And then y to the sixth over y squared gives us y to the fourth. So we've got 9/2 x y to the fourth. Could also write it like the other one, where the x and the y to the fourth are in the numerator. Either way, it's perfectly fine. And then one more in the end, we've got a cubed over 2b, all cubed. And in this situation, we have an exponent that's on top of a fraction, so it needs to be distributed to the numerator and the denominator. So we've got to take the a cubed and cube it. And then we've also got to take the 2b and cube it. Now on the top, we've got an exponent on an exponent. That's multiplication, so we get a to the 9th. In the bottom, we have to distribute that cubed. 2 cubed is 8. B cubed is b cubed. So we end up with a to the 9th over 8b cubed, which is our final answer.